everyone, welcome back to my garden. Today I'm planting sunchokes. I love to use sunchokes in the kitchen. You can slice them up and make sunchoke chips. You can use them like you would potatoes. You can put them in stews and soups. In fact, my friend Heather has a really good sunchoke soup recipe, so maybe she'll comment below. Sunchokes are tubers, and so you can see they've got the little eyes and the little grow spots. They're super easy to grow. You just plant them 6 inches apart, put some soil on top, water them in, and watch them grow. One point of caution though with sunchokes is they can be very invasive. So they have the opportunity, if you don't grab all these little tubers, to come back and grow bigger patches every year. For me, I love the idea of planting it once and having it return every season. They also produce really pretty sunflowers that come later in the season, around August and September. So pollinate the garden, plant it once and it comes back over and over. Use it in the kitchen. For me, why isn't everyone growing sunchokes? I hope you like this video. Follow for more garden tips. Stay tuned for some really yummy garden to table recipes. And don't forget to seed the day.